Hello and welcome to this week's special presentation. My name is Jim Penna. I'm the Manager of Retirement Services here at VectorVest, and I'm very happy to be hosting this week's topic, which is titled Guided Growth, the Role of Coaching Groups in Diverse Investment Strategies. Now, investing in the stock market can be complex and challenging, as we all know, especially when navigating different objectives and strategies. Now, coaching groups can play a pivotal role in helping individual investors achieve their goals. By bringing together like-minded individual investors and experienced mentors, coaching groups offer valuable guidance, education, and accountability. Now, I cannot present a topic on coaching without quoting one of the greatest NFL coaches of all time, Vince Lombardi, and if you are too young to know who he was, look him up. It'll be worth your time. Anyway, he said that perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. And that's kind of the mindset and outlook I want to have as we go through our presentation and talk about the coaching groups. Now, here at VectorVest, we have 4 coaching groups that we conduct here. Each aims to achieve specific objectives and goals based on the individual's investment profile. So we have our Successful Investor Coaching Group, we have our Retirement Coaching Group, we also have the Swing Trading Coaching Group, as well as what we call the Ultimate Retirement Coaching Group, which is all about generating income using very basic and popular option trades. Let's start with Successful Investor Coaching Group. How would you describe a successful investor? Right? A successful investor is someone who can consistently and confidently reach their investment goals. Some folks have met this definition, but many have not. And why do so many struggle? We have been coaching clients here at VectorVest for over 30 years, and we've identified the most common mistakes made and the fundamental skills that you need to become a successful investor. Now, these basic skills and principles, which are taught and coached by my friend and colleague, Mr. Todd Schaefer, are universal to all investing approaches and therefore beneficial to anyone struggling with consistency and confidence. The successful investor takes a prudent approach to establishing our model. What do successful investors have in common? Well, alignment of objectives, goals, techniques, and investor temperament. Right? They have a systematic approach to investing which dictates how to identify quality stocks and how to trade them. That's the what to buy. How to identify when it's the right time to buy. Okay, that's the when to buy. How to manage risk and take profits. That's when we talk about when to sell. It's a written mechanical plan to help avoid making emotional decisions. Remember, these are universal traits across all investor types and approaches. Just the details will change. For this reason, the successful investor is a great primer for all of our courses and coaching groups. Now, when you go into the VectorVest University as a member of the Successful Investor Coaching Group, you'll see that you have access to the coaching group room, and I'll show you a screenshot of that in a moment. If you can't make the live sessions that Todd does every Thursday at noon, you can get the replay right here in the VectorVest University. You have other resources here, a quick start course, an orientation video, as well as coaching room help videos. Okay, the coaching group itself, I took a screenshot here. This is what our Successful Investor Coaching Group looks like. Understand that it's the same coaching group room for all 4 coaching group sessions, or the same outlay of it. And I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse. We have the chat room here. Again, this is for all 4 groups. Again, those like-minded investors can come together. It's open 24 hours a day. You can share ideas and thoughts. We're always in the coaching group rooms to help out when we can. You have videos, help videos, all kinds of things are available to you here right in the coaching group room. And so this is where all the action takes place. We go into the program, graphs, portfolios, Unisearch, whatever it might be. That's what we do in these coaching group rooms. So I just wanted to share that as well. And then finally, just some results for each coaching group room. This is just for the last year or a little longer here in the coaching group. In Todd's group, up over 22% in his coaching group. The Successful Investor Coaching Group is designed, again, to get investors started profitably using VectorVest and to provide them with the tools, training, and coaching to invest with confidence, make informed decisions, and again, achieve consistent, steady growth. In this case of 10 to 20% per year is our goal. Next, I'll come to the Retirement Coaching Group. That's me. I am your host every Tuesday at 2 o'clock Eastern Time. And in the Retirement Coaching Group, we talk about retiring with peace of mind. Now, I use it specifically in the Retirement Coaching Group, but it really is the umbrella of all 4 coaching groups, because we're all looking to generate income, make money so that we can retire with peace of mind. We talk about the 3 Ps, right? We start with profit, provide, and preserve. Now, specifically for the Retirement Coaching Group and all of our coaching groups, we're talking about, when we talk about profit, is capital appreciation, right? We're looking at growth. We want your growth portfolio to go from being that roller coaster to having a steady climb. Now, I understand that, or you should understand that there's always drawdown. Nothing goes straight up. Your portfolio's not going to go straight up. But we limit and mitigate that drawdown and make it a much more steady climb on the capital appreciation side. For provide, what we're talking about is for again, your retirement-minded investors, you don't want a handful of stocks that maybe trickle in some dividend payouts. We want you to be able to have a steady flow of income by building a dividend portfolio. Now, on the provide side of generating income, we also focus heavily on selling covered calls or buy rights, what I've deemed the side hustle of the Retirement Coaching Group. It's another great way to generate income. And then finally, preserve, which in my opinion is certainly the most important part of all of this, which is to protect your net worth. We want you to go from being unprepared when the market turns against you to being prepared. How do we do that? Again, it could be something as simple as covered calls or collar trades, protective puts using the major indexes like the SPY or the Qs or the Russell 2000, whatever ETF you choose. You can protect individual stocks, or you can use those index ETFs and buy put options on those as a protection. We do a lot of that in the coaching group. Here, again, in the VectorVest University, as a member, you'll have access to the coaching group room. We have, again, our help videos and resources here for you. And then what I want you to notice here as well is that the Successful Investor Coaching Group is also available. So each tier or level you join, you are automatically a member of the other group. So if you join the Retirement Investor Coaching Group, you're also a member of the Successful Group. Now, we have several portfolios in the Retirement Group. Here is ruler stocks, one of the searches and investment approaches that we use. This is 1 year. I have it for 5 years, 7 or 8 years. There's several model portfolios we use. I just wanted to use the 1 year look. 56% is our return at this point for the year. The Retirement Coaching Group, again, is designed to give investors the system, software, and support they need to preserve their capital and grow their account. We look for an average of 15 to 25% per year, right? Again, the idea is to retire with peace of mind, being in control of that. And so here, again, this is just for the 1 year. We average about, over time, 27, 28%, give or take, annualized rate of return over time. And just to give you for that 1 year at 56 and change, almost 57%, I did a quick test this morning on the SPY. So as you compare all of our coaching groups to the SPY, you'll see great year, up almost 27%, 26.75% on the S&P, but we more than doubled that, okay, in the Retirement Coaching Group, just in that one portfolio. I mentioned our buy right portfolio. We had a separate portfolio with about $40,000. We had a 22% return doing a weekly buy right, what Dr. DeLito used to call the payday portfolio. It's a bullish trade, so if the market is in our favor, we did 34 trades, had 30 winning trades. That's an 88% success rate. As I referred to earlier, I call it the side hustle, right, for retirees or those approaching retirement to generate income. So that's the Retirement Coaching Group. Next, I want to chat about the Swing Trading Coaching Group. This is hosted by Mr. Steve Chappell and Jerry D'Ambrosio. Now, nobody does it better than Jerry and Steve. Their understanding and application of technical studies is unmatched, in my opinion. The main goal of the Swing Trading Coaching Group is to empower members to confidently implement and manage their swing trading portfolios. This is achieved by applying the proven strategies covered in the comprehensive swing trading course. So again, in the swing trading course, you have your coaching room, and if you can't make it, remember, these guys meet twice a week to stay on top of their swing trades. All of the resources are available to you here. And again, if you join the Swing Trading Coaching Group, you'll have access to the Retirement Coaching Group as well as the Successful Investor Group. And the other added benefit, a great benefit here, is the VectorVest Jockey Club that you will also have access to, which meets every trading day at 9 a.m. Eastern Time to 10:30. And Steve, Jerry, and Glenn, they all do a wonderful job of managing the VectorVest Jockey Club process as well. Here's some results for 2024. In the coaching group, right, we go beyond theoretical knowledge. We put these strategies into action by trading real money in real markets. This hands-on approach not only reinforces your understanding of these techniques, but also builds confidence in executing the trades effectively. As you can see, Jerry does and Steve does twice a week. They're in there staying on top of these trades. Right? By participating, you gain the opportunity to refine your skills, adapt to market conditions, and grow as a proficient swing trader under the guidance of experienced mentors and a supportive trading community. Which brings me finally to the Ultimate Retirement Group Coaching, and here we focus on income-producing option trades, and it's run by as talented and options expert as you will find, Mr. Ron Wheeler. His live sessions meet at 11 a.m., 2 p.m. on Mondays, and then again Wednesdays at 2 p.m. Okay, again, the trades that are done are the vertical credit spreads, diagonal debit spreads, calendar spreads on stocks, ETFs, and indexes such as the SPX. And Ron does a wonderful job generating income there. Again, the core system is to find stocks moving in the direction of the market and placing trades that allow us to profit, even if the stock goes sideways or even if it goes against the direction that we have placed the trade. In other words, we can make money even if our decision is wrong. And that's what Ron teaches and coaches in his group using the option trades I mentioned earlier. The added benefit of real-time coaching is that we can adjust our strategies to what is making the best money for the current market. And here again, you have your coaching room, your replay videos, and Ron does a great job of putting help videos and resources within the coaching group membership site here. And again, you join the Ultimate Retirement Coaching Group, and all that means is that you get everything we offer, all of the software that we offer, and all of the coaching groups that are available to you. Okay. And then some of Ron's results for 2024, trading those core strategies of the SPX calendars and directional credit spreads, was over 39%. Now, Ron, for his option trading, doesn't have the equity curve out of the VectorVest program, but he's got his own great software here that shows a total return of over $39,000 on a $100,000 account. Again, that's over 39% return, right? So the Ultimate Coaching Group combines all of the best that VectorVest has to offer, giving investors access to the full VectorVest suite of products and coaching group memberships. The URS Coaching Group is designed to help you average an additional 3% of monthly income per year. That's 36% a year, and Ron outdid that this year. That's on top of what you make using the methods taught in other coaching groups. So those are the 4 coaching groups we conduct here at VectorVest. Each aims to achieve specific objectives and goals based on the individual's investment profile. Which leads me to the next Vince Lombardi quote, and this is another one that stayed with me for a long time, and he said that the only place success comes before work is in the dictionary. With that in mind, I would like to take a moment to invite you, if you would like to learn more about the techniques used in our coaching groups, please go to www.vectorvest.com/stream and sign up for our 2-day investment seminar on January 10th and 11th of 2025. We're going to be streaming live from Tampa in our annual event that we've been doing for years from Tampa in January. Again, go to the vectorvest.com/stream, and that will take you to the page that shows where you can register, and it's free. And it's a 2-day free streaming of the Tampa 2-day investment seminar. You can scroll down here. You can see what's involved in the course. There's all that information for you. You can also take a look at the agenda here. And we'll all be there talking about our different techniques and strategies that we use in our coaching group. And so we look forward to seeing you guys there. So again, www.vectorvest.com/stream. We all look forward to seeing you guys there January 10th and 11th. Thank you so much for taking the time, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah.